Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shop not showing. So guys, if you have this type of problem that when you have opened your TikTok and shop is not showing on your TikTok app, I'll help you how to get this option. So guys, let's get started. So guys, simply when I am going to open my TikTok, and guys, you will see here the not any option of a shop. So guys, simply first of all you have to make sure that you have login your TikTok app. So guys, if not login, simply you have to login first with your Apple ID or with your Gmail or Facebook, any device. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this you need to open your app store, and guys, this problem means this shop option is missing due to update because you are using oldest version of TikTok. So guys, simply you have to search your TikTok app and your app store, and guys, you need to update your app as you can see. So guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get your shop option. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to open your settings, and guys you need to click on general. As you can see here, I have opened already general. So guys, simply after this you have to click on iPhone storage, and guys from here you need to open TikTok, and guys you need to offload your app and reinstall again and log in again your account, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not get this option, you have to open your TikTok profile, three lines, and settings and privacy. Scroll it below, and guys there is the option of report a problem, and guys you have to wait for a few seconds. After this you have to scroll it below, click on account and profile, and guys after this you will find a new page. Here is the option of profile page, and guys click on other, and guys you have to wait. Simply you have to click on need more help, and guys after this you will find a new tab here. So guys, simply you have to wait. So guys, as you can see here, this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you have to write your problem that shop option is not showing on your TikTok ID, and guys below you need to write your username of your TikTok ID and Gmail address as well for contact purpose. And guys you need to upload your screenshot, 1 2 3 screenshot in which you are not showing shop option, and simply you have to submit your appeal, and guys within few minutes your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.